So how are we starting this without the wiring, boss?
We're just going to use a remote starter on it. The reason we have to hot wire the car, so to speak, is there's no proper ignition in it. So we're just going to run a wire over to the ballast resistor from the hot side of the battery. That'll give us power to the coil. That's hot wiring a car. Well, the reason I've got Will alongside me doing the engine work and assembling, doing some of the final assembly on these cars is he comes from a painting background.
I do appreciate the time that he takes because, like you said, everything I've always done has been strictly paint. No, I just think it makes me kind of more well-rounded because I don't know any of this.
Well-rounded. Circle, planet, system. Right there. If it's advanced too far, it starts kicking back. I can usually set them right on the money by ear.
You didn't want,
Yeah,
Nope,
sure did.
that's right there.
Okay. You're gonna need a little more fuel. While I was bringing the fuel around to put into the Cuda because it wouldn't start, I happened to notice that the sending unit was sitting over there on the bench, not installed in the tank, which is a great reason why it wouldn't run. You were looking for it, you left it.
I didn't leave it out. I didn't put the tank in.
No.
You're going down.
No. Working with Dave now has been a joy. He knows what he's doing. He follows instructions. He's got a great attitude. And it seems to me that he's a real good diagnostician. This guy actually takes his time and diagnoses it. He's kind of a mini-me, if you will, which the world needs more of, I would say.
Well, this is the part we're missing on the fuel tank. Fuel sending unit, pickup unit. The steel right here, this float, operates your fuel gauge. And this is where the fuel draws from. So this is what we're missing. This is why we're not getting any fuel up to our fuel pump.
All right, let's start this mother humper.
That not sound good. That not sound good.
Well, what's going on is we had two problems with our 340. We actually had three problems. When we initially fired it off, it was running on about 6 cylinders. So we did a quick compression test to find out it had low compression on it. And what had happened is I built the engine like a year ago and it had been sitting around, so I thought that the rings maybe had frozen onto the piston, maybe not swollen out where they're supposed to be originally. We took it out back and we ran it till it got up to regular temperature. What the f***'s happened? What the f***'s happened? You know? It actually overheated, which is probably good because it raised everything up to where it needed to be. And that let go of the ring, so we got our compression back. So that was one problem down, but now we've got an intake leak, vacuum leak, so it didn't want to idle under 2,000 RPM, and we've got a tappet that's making noise, or some kind of metallic noise that sounds like a tappet. So that's why we had to take the intake and the rockers back off again. Okay, let's just go ahead and take the rocker arm assembly off of there, push rods. Let's get everything over to the solvent tank, wash it down, and take a look at it.
Yep.
Okay.
Get a good look at all the rockers.
All right.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna clean these rockers up to see if I can find out if there's a plugged up oil galley, any cracks, you know, something that might cause us to lose pressure up there to make these clatter.
Huh. We have a slightly bent push rod, folks. So there's one bent push rod. I'm gonna order new push rods, lifters, and rockers. And at least that way you've done it all. And then look at the intake.
Yeah.
This came with the
You
kit.
had a leak, right?
Oh, look at it.
obviously.
First of all, I've never seen a small block that used this metal. I don't know if I'm just full of or not remembering right, but look at that metal. It's not even crushed. It's crushed here. It's crushed down here. It's crushed on this, but look at these up here.
Yeah.
It wasn't even seating. So we replace the intake gasket when we go back together, obviously, and that should cure our problem.